Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we got another one from James from Lakeside, California. He just keeps sending me stuff, and he told me what's in here, but I'll let it be a surprise. This is really cool, so let's check it out. Oh, nice. So you may have seen my past videos of prison ramen. Here's an example. They have a clear sachet inside. They've got clear packaging. Mostly of it is clear. This makes it so you can't like smuggle things around into or out of or whatever, dealing with prisons, because it's clear and you can easily see if there's any junk in there. Well, so this is something that's being found at grocery outlet, and as you can see right here, this is clear. The sachet looks to be clear as well. You usually won't find stuff that's meant for prisons at grocery stores, okay? This one is distributed by Food Express USA. I looked them up. They're affiliated with Union something, and they sell packages to send to inmates in correctional facilities. So this is bona fide, real deal prison ramen. I have never seen it before. It looks super, super cheesy, and I'm like stoked. What's interesting is, here's the chili one, but it says low sodium on it. And the sodium shows as 1,050 milligrams. That is kind of low-ish. Are they using I can't tell. I'd have to look into it. But a lot of places are now using potassium, like a potassium salt, instead of sodium, or a mixture of the two to lower the actual sodium amount. And another low sodium, hot and spicy vegetable. If you are fascinated by prison ramen, you'll notice that these flavors are very common. There's a chicken, there's a chili. These guys also make like a Cajun chicken and a Texas chili, I think. Texas beef. Those are the flavor names of ones that another company makes, Marachon. So this could be Marachon. I don't think it is. They've got a different distributor for all this stuff, so I don't know. But it's somebody trying to break into the market and get into the correctional thing, because there's a lot of money to be made there. So yeah, cool. Well, big thanks to James for sending these along. Thanks a lot, man, as always. And yeah, I think there's like 9 of these. Yeah, there are more flavors, more spicy ones, more different iterations of chicken. These are all the low sodiums, I believe, and I think there are ones that don't say low sodium as well, but I don't know. We've got a grocery outlet in town, so now I'm thinking maybe I need to run up there and see if they've got some as well. So yeah, very cool. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.